Hello everyone, this is what we're doing today. Plastic floor for the garage. It's a little zigzaggy bit, hard plastic. Hard to cut, you can't cut it with knife. And we got a master craftsman here, Jeff.
Good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon. He'll want to film our new jig device.
And it's a brilliant idea, my lord.
Expensive, wasn't it?
Yeah, very expensive. It's going to demonstrate for you.
Measure, put a mark on, slide it up to the marking on the button. There you go. Nice and clean cut.
Marvellous.
And
These posh Southerners.
oh, look at that posh southerner. Woody woodpecker style. This is the cut edge. Quite clean and crisp. Right, this is the product. Duramat Tough Industrial Flooring Mastermat. It's about 1/4 inch thick, very hard plastic. It doesn't really say what kind of plastic it is, but it feels very tough as well, non-slip. Nice. Right, we've got angle cut here, 395, 401. So what we do, slide piece into the jig. It's quite hard to see. You slide, you line up the mark with this edge of the button. Do that screw and move this side so it lines up. So you got edge, you got it there, little mark, got it there, little mark. There you go. If you've got wool that is running out evenly, you do that correction, and then just slide it back in line with the start, and that will follow parallel to that mark there. And we can see these little pieces there, they're needed. So Professor Dr. Holland decided to do a little surgical procedure here. Yes, yes. Thank you, doctor. Look at that.
Now go cut me another one, nurse.
Oh yes, I'll cut you another 5. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Splendid, marvellous.
This one's in.
Wow. Wow.